जतिन, धन्यवाद एक बार फिर आपका जानकारी लाने के लिए हमारे लिए. एंड व्यूअर्स, ऑन टू न्यूज ऑन Meenakshi Natarajan. The Supreme Court is today hearing her plea challenging the cancellation of a nomination to the Rajya Sabha. A two-judge bench of Apex Court is hearing the case. Natarajan's nomination to the upper house was earlier cancelled, prompting her to approach the Apex Court. Sambhav Sharma is joining us on this. Sambhav, of course, Supreme Court hearing that matter, but the Congress continues to blame the Election Commission and saying that she is being targeted. Talk to us about the arguments in the court over this case as of now.
Matter is going on in the Supreme Court as we speak, and Senior Advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi is trying to convince the two-judge bench of the top court as to why this petition is being filed in the Supreme Court challenging the cancellation of the nomination to the Rajya Sabha and why this is wrong. The two-judge bench of the Supreme Court is hearing the case, and if we talk about the important argument made by Senior Advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi here in the Supreme Court, Mr. Singhvi is arguing that under Section 223 of BNSS, a prospective accused here in this case is Meenakshi Natarajan, and here Singhvi is arguing that prospective accused must be heard before the cognizance of the offence, because earlier it was said that she has not disclosed the necessary information, and that is why her candidature is rejected, is what was the argument of the Election Commission. But here what A.M. Singhvi is arguing is that under 223 of BNSS, which is intentional disobedience of order. So here under 223, Abhishek Manu Singhvi is arguing that the prospective accused must be heard before taking the cognizance. And also to this, Justice P.K. Mishra, who is one of the judges of the bench, has observed that summons have already been issued by the court. Right. And but to which Abhishek Manu Singhvi is countered that the issuance of notice or summons alone is not enough. And also Singhvi has said that statutory requirement relates to framing of charges and cognizance proceedings. So in a way, Abhishek Manu Singhvi is trying to convince the two-judge bench as to why her candidature is valid and why ECI's move in a way is in a way invalid. And so a heated discussion is going on in the Supreme Court where Singhvi is trying to convince the two-judge bench in the Meenakshi Natarajan case in the Supreme Court.
All right, thank you, Sambhav, for joining me on that. And viewers,